Hey, welcome to NETGEAR AV. The InfoComm 2026 launch wave is in full swing. We have a product here that we made for live audio, video and lighting applications. It is a switch, that's what you know us from, but this one has replaceable EtherCon connectors. So this is done together with Neutrik. In the field you can live replace a connector if it breaks. We know live sound and video is a bit rough. The switch has all the NETGEAR software that you know for all the applications, audio, video, lighting, control. We have uplink cards with different configurations, either with copper or standard fiber or FiberCon, all done together with Neutrik to have a switch that's versatile that can be used in the rental and staging world for any application you want. It is developed based on the feedback of the customers that we have. So soon at a large festival near you.